other logics. Today we are going to discussing Hooke's concept inheritance. Okay, what is the inheritance? Inheritance means inheritance. Like the basis, it is represent parent-child relationship between two classes. It is represent parent-child relationship between two classes. This okay. Again, inheritance is one of the useful features of Hooke's concept. Okay, now Hooke's concept. It is allows to you properties and methods and another class. If you are declare one class, properties, method, this all properties and methods you can utilize to the other class. Suppose relationship between two classes. Okay, so father is there. Father, you need to inherit all the data from here. So you can father can child can inherit the father data. Inherit is properties like characters, colors, eyes. You can inherit it from father. Characters and colors, eyes, all the stuff you can inherit to the child. Relationship between two classes. Okay, a class can only inherit fields and methods to the another class. One class this is a class. This class can be inherited. Fields and methods can be only inherit to the another class. Another class. Okay, you can inherit it from your father. Character, color, eyes, properties, these things and all you can inherit it from father to the child. Similar way, we can inherit the field and methods only. Okay, the parent class is called as superclass. This is for superclass. Parent class nothing but a superclass, and in child class like a subclass. You can call it the child. Somebody developers can call as this is very important. What is the base class? Somebody they can ask you in the situation. Base class is a superclass or parent class. Okay, subclass is a derived class or child class. Remember, base class. What is the base class? Base class is superclass and parent class. Subclass is a derived class and child class. Okay, subclass links to the superclass using the extend keyword. From this class, one class is there. In this class two, inherit from two all the methods and properties using the extend keyword. Using the extend keyword, we can inherit the to one class to another class. Okay, so how to achieve inheritance concept? We can achieve the inheritance concept these steps. Need to implement this one. Superclass we need to one superclass is required. From fields and method we need to derive from the another class required from the subclass one subclass required. How to derive from this one? Using the extend keyword. These three things is required for the inheritance. Okay, so what is the purpose of inheritance? Okay, you are explaining is okay. What is the purpose? The purpose is reusability of the code. You don't want to write again and again fields and methods. You can reuse one method if you are declaring whatever stuff is required. We can extend from the superclass to subclass. We can reuse here. We don't want to write again. Okay, here is private, public, protect, default, access modifiers. We can use it here. So, okay, how many types of inheritance? How many types of inheritance? Inheritance, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, multiple inheritance we cannot use. Okay, leave this one. We can go through this four. Single, I can explain to you. You can get clarifications. Okay. Now, first one, what is the single inheritance? What is the inheritance? Inheritance derived from the subclass. So all the methods and fields can use to the subclass. You can derive from the superclass. Okay, this is called as inheritance. What is the purpose using for this reusability of the code? How many types of inheritance? Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, multi-level inheritance. We can use to the up to hybrid inheritance. First one. So first one is single inheritance. Single inheritance, how to use? Single inheritance. When a class inherited from the another class. When a class inherited from the another class called as single inheritance. Like parent class. This is the parent class. Like a base class. These properties and behavior, everything he can inherit all the stuff. This is a subclass. This is called a derived class. This is base class, parent class, superclass, the child class or derived class. See, class A and all the fields and methods using the extend keyword, inherited the okay. A single inheritance, single child class inherit properties and method, single parent class. Following the diagram. This you can see how to implement the single inheritance like class A and class B. Two classes we are declaring here. All the fields and method using the extend keyword can use the class name. Then you can use it here. How to use the stuff I can explain to you. So I can go there. This is for the oops package. Oops package like this one is oops package. We can go there. So class name is inheritance. Class name is inheritance. 1 minute. Class name is inheritance. Inheritance. Demo inheritance. Demo inheritance. Okay. Demo inheritance. Like you can go there. First single inheritance. Suppose single inheritance we can use to the two classes. Class superclass. Superclass. Okay. This is superclass. Superclass. I can display the void method super. Void method super. System dot out dot println I am a super class method. I am a super class method. Now I can use to the one more thing. I am a super class method. I can use to string parent name equal to John father. John father. String name equal to John father. Now here we are declaring two things. One is fields and method. Two things we are declaring here. Now one more class I can declare. Okay. One more class I'm going to declare. This is for the inheritance. Inheriting superclass to subclass. Okay. Now class subclass using the extends. You can using the extend only we can call to superclass to subclass. Using the superclass. Now here what we can do, void method subclass. Method subclass. Again I declare the one more method here. So string.out.println string.out.println okay out.println I am a subclass. Okay, I'm a subclass. Now clear here? Clear. Now I need to display the things. How to display it? So can go there, main, create an object. Create an object within the subclass. In the subclass. Obj equal to new obj. Okay. Now obj dot name. System dot obj dot name. Okay. Now obj dot what is it one? Method subclass. Obj dot method superclass. See, I am declaring the only for the subclass. Create an object using the create object instance subclass, but I am not creating any instance for the superclass. So all the data, all the fields and method derived when using the SQL keyword class name, all the data can be derived to superclass. Superclass. When you're using the superclass instance, all the data we can display the main method. Now if I run this one, check it here. I run this one, what will happen? See. John father, I am a subclass method, I am a subclass method, I am a superclass method. I am a superclass method. Here is superclass method. Superclass method inherited subclass. Superclass this method inherited subclass. Subclass and subclass. Now subclass is known say using the instance I have all the data and fetching from here. Okay, all the data we are fetching here. Now, what is the single inheritance? Single inheritance. Okay, single inheritance, parent to child relationship. Parent to child relationship. Check it here. See, parent to child. This is a syntax. This is a syntax. Now we can go to the next one is what is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Single inheritance is completed. So multi-level inheritance. Here is multi-level inheritance means see have a this is an extension is a single inheritance in Java where another class again inherits the subclass which inherits the superclass. Okay, see here when there is chain relationship, see son to father, father is grandfather. Chain relationship, one-to-one chain relationship. See, A is the parent class. Then A derived all the fields and method derived B class. From B is now C parent is B. B parent is A. Chain relationship, one-to-one. Okay. When there is a chain inheritance, it is also a multi-level inheritance. Okay, as you can see this example below, son class inherited father. Son has inherited from the father. Again father to grandfather. Okay, chain relationship, one-to-one chain relationship. Multi-level inheritance, the parent class become the child. Child class, another class. So following the diagram. This is the diagram you can follow. Okay. So when we go there, example, you can get that clarification. Now we can go there. Now I can create a one more class like demo inheritance. Okay. Now I can go there. Simple, very simple. This is also very simple. Don't confuse it. See, I create a one class bar. Class bar. Now I fly. Class can fly. Bird can fly. System.out.println out.println I am a bird. I'm a bird. Okay. Now this is the parent class, base class. Base class or parent class, anything. Base class, anything, whatever. Now I can again create inherited class bird. Okay, class parent. parrot using the extend keyword, extend extends okay. Now see here, white, what color, I am. Okay. Now can go there, system.out.println, I am green, I am green color. Parrot is like green color, no? What's green? Okay. From here to this is the all the stuff can be relationship, one-to-one relationship here. Hmm? Multi-level inheritance. See, one more I can create. Now what I am diagram showing to you now, son, father and grandfather. Like that I am going to create it. Okay. Now inheriting class parent. Inheriting class parent. Okay, now class singing parent. Singing parent extends parent. Okay, now write what can I what can I sing? One more method I am declaring here. System.out.println. Okay. I can sing opera. Can sing opera. Now see here is multi-level. Bird is in on bird. Bird inherit to the I'm a bird. Inherit to the parrot. Parrot can be green. Okay, single bird I am taking. If you want to take any other name, you can take it. Not issue. Okay, parrot can sing in which what can I sing? This is singing can be opera. Like I am multi-level inheritance. Here is grandfather, father and child, son, father, grandfather, like that only I am creating here. Okay. Now I go there, main method. Now I am create the instance of this one. Link one-to-one. See, chain relationship, multi-level inheritance, chain relationship. Okay, obj equal to new. Okay. Now obj dot what can I sing? Okay, obj dot what color? Obj dot fly. See. Now if I run this one, see, if I run this one, this is the magic. See, I can sing opera, I'm green, I'm a bird. Okay, so in this one, up to in this one, They are not declaring I am bored, I am green, these things. This one reuse the what this code, parent code and board code. We reuse here, then create an instant using the implement the method here. Then we can get the display the output here. So reuse the code. What is inheritance use? Reuse the code. So now we can go there. Single inheritance is completed. Single inheritance one to one. In a class, another class inherited is called as single inheritance. And multi-level inheritance when there is a chain relationship, one class to another class, called as multi-level inheritance. Another one is hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, single superclass inherited separately by the two or more subclasses. Single superclass. See, this is a single subclass, base class, anything, whatever you are convenient. Okay, single superclass, separate by the two or more subclasses. Say, father is having two children. One is son, one is daughter. His property dividing into two leaves. One is son, another one is daughter. His property separating the two partitions. One is son, another one is daughter. So similar way, we are when two or more classes inherited in single class, it's also known as hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance one more than one class extending same class. More than one class extending father property giving to the son. Same father property giving to the daughter also. Okay, if you want to extend one more thing, you can use to the one more daughter. Like that, we can give to him. Yes, that is the way. Hierarchical inheritance. Now we can go to the practical demo. The package. Now I am going to create a class. This one is demo 3. Public static. Now same way I am going to hierarchy. Hierarchy also same way we can create the class bird. So class bird and wide fly. Whatever previously what I am declaring here, class bird. This one is I am going to write it here. Then this one also inherited property. I can write it here. I can inherit it here. Another one is class cow. Crow. Stem dot out of container. What color? I have. Color is black. Color is black. Okay. Now I'm getting error. What was that? Type board is already defined. Yeah, correct. Fine, fine. Word, fly, inherited the scene. Okay. Same package, no? Parts. Parts. It's parts. Same package I'm defining here. That's what I'm getting there. Same. So within the package, same name, same class name I'm using, so that I'm getting there. So here white cover and color is black. What color? Yeah. Is it black? Cover is black. Fine. Now see base class when two or more classes inherited a single class. Single class inherited two or more classes, son and data. Same way here is we are declaring the birds class inherited the parrot and crow. So this is the father, son and daughter. This his property is dividing into two. Same way I am declaring here. So now we can go there. So parrot AR equal to new. So AR dot what was that? What I'm color. Okay. Now another one instance I'm going to create. This is dividing your property dividing two ways, so that I'm creating two. So CRO equal to new cron C CRO dot what color I am. Fine. Now call methods of parent. So AR dot already declared. Now we can cut it here. Here dot fly. See, check it here. This is dividing to two ways. Individual. Problems. Now this one. Can here. CRO dot. Now if I run this one, what is the output? We can check it. sorry. Not create instance so that get instance. No, it's no, it's fine. That is what are they? See, see here, the superclass board is inherited separately by two different subclass, parent and cron. Superclass, the superclass, what is superclass? Superclass birds is separated into parent and cron. Okay, the parent object you can call is methods what I am color and also fly method, which is inherited from the superclass. This parent class can be object is called to the fly and what I am called whatever inherited from the birds. Okay, the cow object is can be called as method what I am, what color I am, and also fly method also can be inherited. Okay, this is a common method can be inherited, but inside the whatever declared, this also can be inherited. So I am a black and green and bird and black and green, all the stuff is coming to here. Okay, so this is called as hierarchical inheritance.